News Channel 9. It's like smooth skin. Got me out, want a lot of what you got. Let me scooch in. Make a move, it's what I do. A few ways, got you oozing. And I got options, catch me often talking, dropping, picking, choosing. Smooth skin. And I don't wanna objectify, but what you got I just can't deny. A witty mind that's a lot like mine, and dark brown eyes I get lost inside. Now front or back I just can't decide. I can't commit and I don't know why. Well, maybe cause I'm just terrified. I don't wanna repeat the time that I got my heart broke, laughed it off like that joke. Really, I was down low. But then I got to thinking that I'm only 20-something. I'm probably too young to really be obsessed in relationships. I hate that. Regardless, I do love women, so I keep a few around me just to feed my soul. And if I had to choose one trait above them all, it'd be that smooth skin. Got me out, want a lot of what you got. Let me scooch in. Make a move, it's what I do. A few ways, got you oozing. And I got options, catch me often talking, dropping, picking, choosing. Smooth skin. Smooth skin. Got me out, want a lot of what you got. Let me scooch in. Make a move, it's what I do. A few words got you oozing. And I got options, catch me often jogging, dropping, picking, choosing. Smooth skin.